Hi everybody, CANNABIS Grows here. How the heck are you doing today? Well, it's Tuesday, it's September. Aren't I supposed to do Grow Garage again? Well, yes. I'm a little bit behind schedule cleaning up the garage, but this is where you can join the garage fun. I'm actually going to be doing a stream in about 2 hours from the time this video goes up, so it'll be about 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to start a stream on Twitch. I said a whole bunch. Here's my Twitch channel, just the name CANNABIS. Just go to Twitch, search up CANNABIS, and give me a follow. It is September, so if you want to subscribe to my channel, that'll save you from getting any commercial breaks or anything like that, and it's a way to support me and what I'm doing. I play a lot of games on here, and I'm trying to do some cannabis content as well, so that I can hit up both people that might want to watch either or. Anyway, today on Grow Garage, I'm going to be setting this thing up. That's why this is in the background. I know I'm wearing a pretty bad shirt. It's kind of fucking up my green screen, but regardless, we're doing this puppy here today. We're doing a 4x4 complete grow system from ACINFINITY. The wonderful folks over at ACINFINITY sent me this a little while back, and I'm setting it up into the Grow Garage. It's what I'm going to grow with. I'm very excited. Fans, ventilation, scrog, plant or a potting system. There's even a cloth pot and a watering system. It's a whole package deal. Very fucking cool. I'm going to be doing some very cool things with this new system, with ramping up light and ramping down light in the mornings and evenings, as well as dialing back sort of a fall schedule. I'm going to be doing a little more natural light schedule with this, because you can do that with this. So stay tuned. Follow me on Twitch. Come join the live fun. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say. It's a pretty quick little video here today, but I'm just telling you to come join me over on Twitch. I will do recorded videos once in a while and upload them here to YouTube as far as updates on the Grow Garage, but I'm gonna try doing Grow Garage on Twitch, the live streams at any rate. Yeah. I'll see you there. Bye, folks.